Hello guys, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I have 3 beautiful DIYs. This is also for the collab for the Twine It Up challenge that is hosted by my friend Funny by Creations by Fabi, and this month's co-host is my other friend Lionette from DIY Beauty on Purpose. These girls are both so talented and do amazing home decor. So I'll have their information down in the description box so you can check them out. I'm also leaving the link to the playlist so you can have more twine inspirations. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, I'm going to start with the tray. So from Dollar Tree, I'm going to use one of their paper plate holders. 4 come in a pack, but I'm only using one. I'm going to use some Dollar Tree nautical rope. I didn't have enough, so I ended up using the jute cord roll that you see here. That is from Ross, and it cost me $2.99. I'm going to start with flipping the plate around and start gluing the nautical rope all around the bottom.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me.
I ran out of the Dollar Tree nautical rope, so then I started to use the one from Ross.
Everything we need, right? Watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
I thought of only doing the sides with a nautical rope, but then I decided to add a little bit more at the bottom. Once I was done at the bottom, I flipped it around and started doing it on the other side. And this is how it looks. It looks so pretty. Now I'm going to just finish this up.
Me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got.
And that is it for this tray. Now look how beautiful this looks. As you can see, I didn't finish adding some nautical rope all the way at the bottom. You totally can, but I decided not to since you won't be able to see it. Now the last thing I did do was just burn a little bit of the fuzzies using some lighter, and I also distressed it using the antique wax just to cover some of the glue. For my next DIY, I'm going to use a glass floral vase from Dollar Tree and the letter sticker sheet. I'm going to put the word home on the bottom part of the glass. The next thing I will be doing is taping the top part of the glass using some Dollar Tree painter's tape, because I only want the bottom to be white, and I'm using some chalk paint. After letting it dry for a couple of minutes, I removed the tape and I removed the stickers. I did have to use something sharp. I didn't have my tweezer on hand, but I think an easier way to remove them is using some tweezers. Now to finish this off, I'm going to add some nautical rope. And for the greenery, I will be using this one that I got from Dollar Tree recently. It's not new. I think they were carrying this last year, but I barely found it this year. And to finish this off, I'm adding a cute little bow. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. My next DIY is going to be another decor for the tray. Now from Dollar Tree, I'm going to use some of the Crafter Square wood squares. I'm using 2 of these. To make the roof, I'm going to cut out a triangle out of the other square. After that, I'm going to just add a piece of popsicle stick to put these together. I'm using hot glue to glue these together. For the stand, I'm using a piece of paint stick and some Jenga blocks. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, and show me what you can do. Make a move. Look how cute and nice this little house looks. Now I'm going to paint it using some white chalk paint. To decorate this, I'm going to cut 2 stems off out of this greenery. Like that, it's going to cover that line. And then I'm going to add this little cute bow I made out of burlap. Now for the center, there's so many different things you can do. You can add a word, a little saying, home sweet home, welcome. But I decided to use both of these hearts. The burlap heart is actually from a Dollar Tree sign. The long ones, I removed it and I kept it. And then the blessed sign is from another little Dollar Tree decor. Now I'm going to add these together, but I wanted the blessed to be more of a 3D, so that is why I added these little popsicle sticks. Now I'm going to add this to the center, and look how cute this little house decoration looks. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.